sFunLearningAdventures. Hi, welcome to Corban Adventures Learning. I'm Corban, that's Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be making a flute.
So,
stay tuned. We have 2 craft sticks here and 4 rubber bands.
we're going to stretch 2 rubber bands across each of the craft sticks. Alright, and this is what it should look like. You see we have 2 rubber bands here and 2 on the other one. So we have a total of 4 rubber bands there. So we'll go to the next step.
You put tape on both sides of the craft sticks like this.
Okay, yeah, you see here we have it on both ends there.
Yeah.
So that helps to secure the rubber bands.
Yes.
And
Let's go
we'll
to the next step. Okay, the next step is to cut these straws into different lengths like this.
And we have 5 straws there. So we'll go to the
next step.
Okay, so now Corban is going to weave these straws through the rubber band, and there's a way that you do it. So you have to do the alternate rubber band. So you see the one here that's on the ground. So he's going to lift up that rubber band and feed the straw through there, and then the one that's not on the ground but on the craft stick, he's going to lift that up and put it there. Okay. And we'll show you the next one so you can see that one. Alright, so we'll show you the next one. See the one that's touching the craft stick here? Corban is lifting that one up. And he's gonna push it through. And then the one that's laying on the craft stick there, he's gonna pick that one up and weave it through. So it should look like this. So Corban is going to blow air through each one. He should hear a different pitch from each one. So it's going to be hard to hear through the video. Oh, I hear the different pitches.
I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye. And remember to subscribe.